Hello everyone, welcome to our grammar video on verbs. Before moving into the topic, if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Verbs are words that tell what subject of a sentence is doing or being. They are essential in constructing meaningful sentences and come in various types, each serving a unique function. So let's explore the main categories of verbs and their functions in a clear and simple way. Types of verbs. Action verbs. These verbs express physical and mental action. Linking verbs. They connect the subject of a sentence to a subject complement. Helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. These verbs assist the main verb in expressing tense, mood or voice. So let's explore each type in detail. Action verbs. Action verbs are the workhorses of language. These verbs express physical or mental actions. They are the most common type of verbs and are easy to identify because they show what someone or something is doing. Examples: physical action. She runs every morning. In this sentence, runs is an action verb showing what she is doing. Mental action. He thinks about his future often. Here, thinks is an action verb indicating a mental process. Action verbs further divided into two types, transitive and intransitive. Transitive verbs. They require a direct object to complete their meaning, answering the question what or whom after the verb. Examples: she reads a book. In this sentence, the verb read is transitive and a book is the direct object. And what she is doing, she is reading a book. Intransitive verbs. They do not require a direct object to complete their meaning. They express actions that do not require something else to receive the action. Example: he sleeps. The verb sleeps is intransitive and make a sense on its own without an object. Linking verbs. Linking verbs serve to connect the subject of a sentence to a subject complement. They do not show action but rather express a state of being or condition. The most common linking verb is to be in its various forms like am, is, are, was, were, etc. Linking verbs also include sensory verbs like which sense with our sense organs like look, feel, sound and seem, touch, etc. Example: he is a teacher. In this sentence, the verb is link the subject he to the subject complement a teacher. Next, the soup is hot. In this sentence, is links the subject soup to information that it is hot. Next example, they seem happy. Here, seem connects the subject they with the state of being happy. Helping verbs. Helping verbs are used together with the main verb to form a verb phrase and provide additional meaning such as tense, mood or voice. Common helping verbs include have, do and be, along, etc. Example: she is running late. In this sentence, is helps the main verb running to form the present continuous tense. They have finished their homework. In this sentence, have helps the main verb finished to form the present perfect tense. Modal verbs. Modal verbs are a type of helping verb that express necessity, possibility, permission or ability. They do not change form based on the subject and are always followed by the base form of the main verb. Examples include can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will and would. For example, in a sentence, you must finish your homework. The modal verb must indicates necessity. You can do it. Here, can helps to express the ability to do something. I have already prepared a video on modal verbs. Check out the video in my channel. I will provide the link in the description. Regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs follow predictable pattern when conjugated, like walk, walked, walked. Irregular verbs. They do not follow the standard rules of conjugation. Example: go, went, gone. Verb tenses means usage of verb depending upon the time. Using verbs, one can identify whether an action occurred in the past, is occurring in the present, or will occur in the future. Verbs express time through these tense forms. Past tense. Past tense indicates actions or states that have already occurred. Example, Arun played basketball. Present tense indicates actions or states that are currently happening. Arun plays basketball. Future tense indicates actions or states that will happen in future. Example, Arun will play basketball. I have already prepared a detailed video on tenses, explained each tense with examples. Check out the video in my channel and I will provide the link in the description. Don't miss that video. Verb phrases. Verb phrases consist of a main verb and one or more helping verbs. They can express complex actions or states. Example, she has been studying all night. They are going to visit their grandparents. Conclusion. Verbs are the backbone of sentences, providing critical information about actions, states, or occurrences. By understanding the different types of verbs, action, linking, and helping verbs, you can better construct sentences and convey your thoughts clearly and effectively. Remember, action verbs show what the subject does, linking verbs connects the subject to additional information, and helping verbs assist the main verb in expressing different nuances. With these basics in mind, your writing and speaking will become more precise and engaging. Thank you for watching.